Welcome back to Adventures, Trails, and Tales, where we explore hidden gems across Ohio and beyond. Today we're headed to Englewood MetroPark. Just 20 minutes from Dayton, Ohio, Englewood MetroPark is part of Five Rivers MetroParks and offers over 1,900 acres of trails, lakes, wetlands, and picnic areas. A perfect escape for nature lovers. Before we dive into the video, please head over to our homepage, check out a few of our other videos, leave a like, comment, and please subscribe to see more hidden gems. We'd love to keep you motivated and at our side as we expose the beauty that is within nature. Whether you're here for hiking, fishing, bird watching, or exploring waterfalls, this park has something for everyone. This trail gave us everything we love and for sure was one of our top hidden gems. Today we're going to be hiking the Green Trail, a 3.8-mile scenic loop packed with waterfalls, forests, and a peaceful lake view. The Green Trail is the perfect mix of wooded paths, open fields, waterside views, giving us a little bit of everything on this late winter hike. If you're looking for a quick getaway from city life, Englewood MetroPark is one of Dayton's best outdoor destinations. Now, let's hit the trail. One of the coolest things that we noticed right as we pulled in was an adventurous playground, offering lots of free reign open space for those summer months. Perfect for seeking tranquility and peace with family, friends, or kids. Hey guys, we're out here hiking the Green Trail at Englewood MetroPark. Having a blast, getting some miles in at the tail end of winter. We are ready for spring. Ready for spring. about the halfway point around the green trail here, and we've already seen two pretty awesome waterfalls. We were pleasantly surprised. They were nice open gorges that made it worth it already.
They are gorgeous. Not frozen, but still gorgeous.
Not frozen. Yeah, this morning, got outside. We were hoping that we'd have nice spring weather this week. Looking forward to the weekend, and it was snowing this morning, and when we got here, we're like, dang, it's cold. The wind is really cold. And what the feels like temperature say? 5 degrees. Supposed to be 45. Feels like 5 degrees. You never know with the weather. Just make sure that you pack appropriately. Luckily, we had our winter coat. She had her gloves on, and I have nothing, so smart again. Wind is cold. If you look at the water, all those little ripples up top, man. Even down below, down to the lower level, it's still getting cut by the wind. It's cold. It's cold. We're almost done, so we got kind of a final turn here, and we'll be back in the car. Still getting our calories burned. Total hike length was 3.8 miles, right? Wasn't it?
Yep. It's March 1st, so hopefully the weather starts warming up soon.
Yeah, fingers crossed. Get in. Oh, it's this button. Oh. Made it back from the green trail here at Englewood MetroPark, and we liked it a lot. It was a good hike. Got roughly 4 miles in, 10,000 steps, right?
Yep.
That last little leg of the path, walking by the river, was cool if it wasn't so windy and freezing cold. It also opened up into a nice lake, and there was lots of ducks, lots of mallards out flying around, but other than that, no animals wanted to get in the shots. We had a couple squirrels try to run away, and I don't blame them. It's too cold to be out. Hopefully you enjoyed that footage. This has been Adventures, Trails, and Tales, and we have a Facebook and Instagram page, and we'd love to have you on there. That's where we are gonna post polls on where we should go next. We post different questions, and we show behind the scenes footage of making these videos. You know, just ultimately trying to get people motivated out and hiking and, you know, burning some calories in a fun, healthy living lifestyle way. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. We did, and we are glad that we are off to go shop and get our coffee.
Yes.
Have a good one. Adventures, Trails, and Tales, signing off.